Hey guys, I'm Coach Ty with MuscleWiki. This is our good friend Amber, and we're going to take you through the goblet squat. So what does a goblet squat train? Well, primarily the quads and glutes, of course, but it does something slightly different in that the weight is here in front of you and not on your back or on your shoulders like with a back or a front squat with a barbell. Because of that, it has a slightly higher requirement of your core musculature. Because the weight is a little further away from your center of gravity, it's a little bit harder to stay upright, so your spinal erectors and your abs are going to have to work a little bit harder to keep you upright. From there, we'll go into the form. So I'm going to have Amber go ahead and grab her dumbbell. Yep. Make sure you always flat back. And then the way you hold the dumbbell is you want it set deeply in your palms, and then you want to grab around the top. Yep, perfect. Now still keep the dumbbell relatively close to you. You don't want to get too far away. And you also want to make sure that your elbows do not flare out. Make sure you keep your elbows glued into your side, even to the degree that they might touch your knees or your quads as you're squatting. Okay, so go ahead and take your squat stance and, yep, perfect. Make sure we're keeping a flat back as always. Try to keep your chest as tall as you can. Your chest is going to fall forward slightly on a squat. That's normal. Also, as always, we want to make sure we keep our range of motion as long as possible. You can get a longer range of motion on a goblet squat than you can on a back squat. So make sure you take advantage and make sure you are hitting at least parallel depth. Stay on your heels. We don't want to let your heels pop up off the floor as you're squatting, which can happen again because that weight is pulling you further forward. And that's 8, okay? And then you're done, and then you could curl the dumbbell back down and deadlift, again, making sure you always keep a flat back. All right? And that's the goblet squat. Thank you guys for listening. As always, I'm Coach Ty. Thank you again, Amber, for helping us out, and we'll see you with the next one. Deuces.